Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This is the video for students of Standard 2, subject Science. The thought for today: the key to change is to let go of fear. So, if you want to change, first of all, you have to let fear go out of your mind. Don't be afraid of anything. If you do right things, you should not be afraid. The people, those who do wrong things, they are afraid. So you should not be afraid if you are doing all the right things. And even if you make mistakes, it doesn't matter because everyone make mistakes. So never be afraid and you can change. These instructions I want to give you. Please follow these instructions. Be a good friend. Don't yell. Speak softly every time. Be kinder, especially with the animals. Help others as much as possible. Just cover your cough or sneeze while coughing or sneezing. Share the things with others. Sharing is a good habit. Whenever you are sitting in a classroom or with everyone, you should raise your hand before you speak. Say please and thank you. These are the very, very good words that you should use every day. Greet others. Greeting others means asking them, how are you? Or telling them, good morning, good afternoon. Whenever you start talking with someone, first of all you should ask, how are you? And then you should continue. Be a good listener. Listen to what people say, listen to your parents, listen to your elders. Listening is a very, very good skill. In our today's video, we'll continue with chapter 11, water, revision of the previous video, and the most important thing that we are going to learn, notes of the chapter, that notes which are to be copied in the fair book later on, and one time in the rough book, you have to write it while watching the video. So let's begin with the notes. Here is lesson 11, water, notes, means the things which you have to write in fair book. But right now you have to write in rough book one time and learn with the video. The most important thing is that you have to learn it. So let's begin learning hard words, the difficult words from the chapter. Let's read and understand. RAINWATER, rainwater. RAINWATER, rainwater. Number 2, RIVER, river. RIVER, river. Number 3, CANALS, canals. CANALS, canals. Number 4, SEEPS, ships. SEEPS, ships. Number 5, GROUNDWATER, groundwater. GROUNDWATER, groundwater. Number 6, DIGGING, digging. DIGGING, digging. Number 7, BUCKETS, buckets. BUCKETS, buckets. Number 8, CONTAINERS, containers. CONTAINERS, containers. Number 9, GERMS, germs. Germs, germs. Number 10. Boiling, boiling. Boiling, boiling. Number 11. Bathing, bathing. Bathing, bathing. Number 12. Washing, washing. Washing, washing. Number 13. Leaking, leaking. Leaking, leaking. Number 14. Utensils, utensils. Utensils, utensils. Number 15. Showers, showers. Showers, showers. So, these are the 15 difficult words that are from lesson number 11, water. We have studied the hard words of the chapter. Now, let us read the multiple choice questions that are called MCQs of the chapter. So, let's read multiple choice questions. You are advised to write the questions of MCQ as well as the answers. Number 1. Which of the following activities need water? Which of the following activities need water? So, in which things do you need water? In which activities do you need water? Options are bathing, reading, washing clothes, or both A and C. So, where do we need water? We need water for bathing also, when we go for bath in the morning or in the evening, and when we wash the clothes, for that also we need water. So option A is correct, option C is correct. That means both A and C are correct. So the correct option is option D, that is both A and C. If you are asked to mark any one answer, you will mark the last, both option A and option C, that is bathing and washing clothes. Both are correct answers. Number 2. Which of these is not a source of water? See here, not is given. Which is not the source of water means from where do we not get water? From where do we not get water? Lake, river, or park. Where do we not get water from? We do not get water from which place? From park. We do not get water from park. We do not get water from park. Next. Number 3. Which water that seeps into the ground is called dash. Water that seeps into the ground, the water that goes into the ground, that seeps into the ground. Seeps means flows slowly through. The water that flows slowly through into the ground is called dash. Options are dam, groundwater, lake water, or canal. What is it called? It is called groundwater. The water that seeps into the ground is called groundwater. The water that seeps into the ground is called groundwater. Next. Which of these do we use to store water? What do we use for storing water? Options are bucket, tank, drum, or all of these. What do we use for storing water? So, we use all these things. We use bucket, we use tank, drum. So, the answer is all of these because we use all these things bucket, tank, and drum for storing water. So, option D is the correct answer. Then we have next, that is number 5. The stored water can be used to dash. The water that we store can be used for dash. Is it used for watering plants, cleaning floors, bathing, or all of these? The water that is stored can be used for all, for watering plants, for cleaning the floors, for bathing, means all of these. We can use water for all of these. Plants means giving water to the plants, cleaning the floors, bathing, and all. Water is used for all the things. So option D is the right one. Then we have number 6. Drinking dirty water can make us dash. If you drink dirty water, then what will happen? It will make us dash. Ill, healthy, tall, or none of the above. Drinking dirty water makes us ill. If you drink dirty water, you will become ill, means will become sick. It is not good for our health. So we should never drink dirty water. We should be very careful that the water which we are drinking has to be clean. Number 7. How can one kill the germs in drinking water? If you want to kill the germs in drinking water, how can you kill it? So here the options are by boiling it, by freezing it, by washing it, or by storing it in the plastic bottles. How can you kill the germs in the drinking water? By boiling, by freezing, by wasting, or by storing in plastic bottles. So we can kill the germs by boiling water. When you boil the water, you can kill the germs. You should boil the water. So the correct option is number A. That is boiling. You have to boil the water and you can kill the germs and the water will become clean. And that water is good for us to drink. The next topic that we have, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks from lesson 11, water. Let's read, and the options are also given. As you know, you get the options. You can select the correct option from the given. Number 1. We get water from dash. We get water from rain, because we do not get water from rocks. Where do we get water from? Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. We get water from rain. Number 2. The water from rain is called dash. The water from rain is called dash. Is it called rainwater or pure water? What is it called? The water from rain is called rainwater. The water from rain is called rainwater. R-A-I-N-W-A-T-E-R. Rainwater. Number 3. We use groundwater by digging dash. We use groundwater by digging wells. W-E-L-L-S. Wells. You can dig the well and you can use the groundwater which is there inside the ground. Options are wells and huts. So you can dig the well and take the groundwater out and you can use it. Number 4. Drinking dirty water can make us dash ill or healthy. If you drink dirty water, of course you will be ill, you will not be healthy. Drinking dirty water can make us ill, not healthy. Number 5. We should keep water in dash containers. Where should we keep water? In which containers should we keep? Closed or open? We should keep the water in closed containers. We should keep water in closed containers. So these are the fill in the blanks. These are the 5 fill in the blanks that we just read. You have to learn this fill in the blanks. The highlighted words which are given in pink color, they are the answers of these blanks. So now let us see the next topic, that is true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. These are the true or false from your textbook. You can also refer to your new science textbook on page 104. Let us read the true or false and learn them. Number 1. We get water from rain. Yes, it is true, because rainfall, whenever you see rainfall, there is a lot of water which is accumulated on the ground, and we can store that water. Later on we can use that water for our different purposes, whichever we want to. So yes, we get water from rain, it's true. Number 2. We can use groundwater by digging wells. So even that is true. If you want to use groundwater, you can dig the well and you can fetch out the water, and that water can be used. We use groundwater by digging wells, and we can use hand pumps also. So in our homes we get water from the taps, but outside in the ground, if you dig the well, then you can fetch out the water from the ground. True. We should drink water directly from lakes and rivers. Is it true or false? It is false, because the water in the lakes and in the rivers is not pure. It is not good. It is not purified. So first of all, we have to clean that water. Directly if you drink the water from lakes or rivers, you are drinking dirty water, which is not at all good, and you might fall ill. So never drink water from lakes or rivers directly. Number 4. Dirty water does not contain germs. False. The water which is dirty, it contains germs. It is true. The water which is dirty, it does contain germs. It has so many impurities. Dirty water contains germs, and drinking dirty water can make us ill. So we should boil the water for killing the germs. What will you do? You need to boil the water. Then number 5. We should store clean drinking water in open containers. Should we store the drinking water in open containers? The containers which are open, like tank or drum, should you keep it open? False, because drinking water directly goes inside our body. So we should never keep the drinking water in the open containers. We should have to close that containers, because when we close that containers, only then we can keep our water safe from all the germs and insects and mosquitoes. So always keep it closed. This one is false. Next we have match the following. Column A and column B. Two columns are given over here, as you can see. Now first I'll read both the columns one by one, and then we shall match it. Column A. Rain, wells, dirty water, clean water, water at home. Column B, groundwater, clouds, taps, germs, closed containers. So, this is column A and this is column B. Now, let us start matching column A with column B. So, here the first one which is given, rain. When does the rain come? Before the rain, what do you see in the sky? We see the clouds in the sky. Whenever there are clouds in the sky, after that, sometimes we see that it starts raining. So, rain should be matched with clouds. Rain, clouds. Number 2, wells. When you dig the wells, what do you get from the ground? We dig the wells for getting groundwater. When do we get the groundwater? When we dig the wells, we can fetch the water out of the well. We get groundwater from wells. So let us match that with groundwater. Wells give us groundwater. Number 3, dirty water. Dirty water. What does the dirty water have? The water which makes us ill, and dirty water can make you sick. And what does it have inside it? It has germs inside it. So let us match dirty water with germs. Dirty water has germs in it. So you should boil it and then you should drink it so that the germs would die. Never drink the water before boiling it. That is, dirty water has germs. Next is clean water. So, when do you get clean water? When you store the water in the closed containers. When you keep the containers closed, then the germs would not enter. The water will not become dirty. So, clean water is kept in the closed containers. Means when you keep the containers closed, your water will be clean. And the last one, water at home. That is taps. When you open the tap, we get the water at home. There are taps. We have 2 or 3 taps, or some people may have 5 or 7 taps at home. When you open the tap, the water comes and we can fill the water in the utensils and we can drink the water. So this was match the following, and I hope you all have written the answers. Column A against column B. You can also write rain, clouds. Directly you can write question and then answer in front of the question. Then next thing we have is give one word. Let us read the give one word. Only 4 give one words are there in the chapter. Let us read it. Number 1. This fills ponds, lakes and rivers and streams. What fills all these things? Ponds, lakes, rivers, streams. Which thing fills all these things? Answer is rainwater. Rainwater fills ponds, rivers, lakes and streams. Rainwater. Number 2. We build dams and canals across them. Across means from one side to the other side. We build dams and we build canals across this thing. What is that thing? Rivers. We build dams and canals across the rivers. Number 3. Dirty water contains these. What does the dirty water contain? Dirty water contains germs. The dirty water contains germs. Number 4. Doing this can kill germs present in water. If you want to kill the germs present in water, Boiling this can kill germs present in water. How can you kill the germs in the water? By boiling. Doing this, you can kill the germs present in water. Boiling. 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 When you boil the water, the germs will die inside the water. So always boil the water before drinking. So these are the 4 given words of the lesson. The next question we have is give 2 examples. Let us write the 2 examples for each of the following, which is given over here. Sources of water means where do we get water from? Which are the sources of water? The 2 examples are rivers and lakes. We get water from river and lake. Number 2, things to store water. Where can you store water? We can store water in buckets and tanks. We can store water in buckets and tanks. Number 3, ways to save water. Where can you save water? Which places are there where you can save water? How to save water? How will you save it? So the 2 options are close the tap while brushing. First thing is close the tap while brushing. While you are doing brushing, don't let the water run away. Close the tap. Second is leaking taps and pipes should be fixed. You have to fix the leaking taps and pipe. It should be fixed. The leaking taps and pipes should be fixed properly so that the water does not leak. So just let us revise the hard words of the chapter. Rainwater, river, canals, seeps, groundwater, digging, buckets, containers, germs, boiling, bathing, washing, leaking, utensils and showers. In our previous video we have learnt that some rainwater flows away over the ground. Some water seeps into the ground. All the water we get comes from rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months. So along with us, all living things use this water all year around. And we had also learnt about the sources of water. Where do we get water from? River, canal, tap, hand pump, lake, dam, well. We get water from all these sources. So, I hope you have learnt the notes from today's chapter. We also revised the content of the previous video. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.